To give a quick recap, Tamaria and I reviewed the data displayed to the right during numerous data meetings. We found that we needed to find the best way to get students involved and interested in the content that was being taught in order to raise student success. Our exploratory question: how can we create content that's more engaging in order to appeal to students? We used that exploratory question as a guide to help navigate through each week. We created an artifact tracking sheet which gave us ideas on how to improve the student learning experience. The artifacts that we have listed are as follows: student portfolios, teacher calendar timeline, school summary report, activities and games, labs, actual lesson activities with student work, class schedule, student IEPs, teacher lesson plans, and homework assignment examples with student work. Listed are our SMART goals. By the end of the semester, students will score an 8 out of 10 in the command of evidence section on the evidence-based writing rubric. Tamaria's SMART goal was, by the end of the 3-day lesson, 80% of students will score at least a 3 out of 4 on the project-based recipe activity. Here are our results. Before data meetings, 11 out of 25 students are at or above grade level. After data meetings, 21 out of 25 students are at or above grade level. 10 students raised their grades after the data meetings on trying to figure out in what ways can we make classes and content more appealing. As we can see, that's the great way to go in order for students to succeed and increase their learning experience. Ways to improve student engagement and interaction. Applying new technology to the classroom. Technology can be introduced in many different ways. A few examples are showing more interactive videos in class. Also, gaming in education, or gamification, is a great tool that can bridge an academic gap for many students. Lastly, teaching social media as more of a tool than a source of information. Design more authentic projects for students. Students will give effort to activities and projects they feel they are most connected to. It is important that teachers encourage creativity and freedom in their projects in order for students to give their best effort on any given assignment. Acknowledge and accept student feedback. Teachers should listen to students and try their best to meet their needs. It's best to create a strong environment within the classroom. And for that to happen, trust and respect has to be created between student and educator. Become a teacher leader. It is important that these practices are introduced and encouraged throughout the school building. Becoming a teacher leader will help empower peers with ensuring they are preparing each student to their best ability.